All right, guys, Tim and Jacob here. I'm going to shoot this quick little video because I get a lot of questions about it. Guys are trying to put their whips on. They got it attached to their block, and they're having a problem with the whips all twisting up and getting all curled up. So here we go. You're going to get from us a couple of adapters that go on these hoses. You have a B-side adapter, which is bigger. You'll notice the size when it comes in, and the A side, which is smaller. We have this laid out. You'll see our A hose, you'll see our B hose. A hose has also another little adapter on it. We're going to go ahead and put the adapters on first. So there's your adapter that goes on the A side. Again, it's the smaller adapter. And you're going to go ahead and tighten that up using 2 wrenches. The sizes are a 11/16,
5/8,
and a 5/8. And you're going to snug those up. Those are JIC fittings. So they are going to be sealed once you tighten them. The B side, of course, is going to be the bigger adapter. The 2 wrenches that you're going to use to tighten these up are 11/16,
another 11/16,
and another 11/16. So we're going to tighten those up. Same thing, JIC fittings. Okay, now we're ready to put our hose whips on. And these are stainless steel braided high pressure whips. There's your A side. If you follow that down to the gun block, you'll see it's on the A side of the gun block. You'll see the A on there. Okay, there's your whip. We're going to attach it to the hose. Now here's the tricky part, guys. You're going to need 3 wrenches for this. You need a little tiny one to hold this little brass one.
3/8.
That's a 3/8 right there, and you can hold that down on the table like so it doesn't spin around.
5/8.
Next wrench is a 5/8. You can lay that one down on the table so it doesn't spin around. Okay, get your blue one out of the way. Now the last wrench, 9/16. And you're going to see here, it's a little bit tricky. You go ahead and you tighten that down. And the whip has not spun. It's still nice and straight. That's how that swivel is supposed to be used. The B side, same thing. We're going to go ahead and attach it. Okay, make sure the whip lays nice and flat. Let me get this snake up out of here. Okay, your whip's nice and flat. Make sure it stays nice and flat. Okay, you're going to throw your little tiny, what size is that?
3/8 again.
What size? 3/8?
3/8.
3/8 on your little brass fitting.
9/16 on the back end.
9/16 on the back end.
11/16.
I'm sorry, 11/16.
And a 9/16 in the middle.
And a 9/16 in the middle. And you're going to tighten that up. Make it nice and snug. Maybe have a partner there hold the hose. Okay, that's it. Still nice and flat. We've used the swivels the way they're supposed to be used. You can go ahead and tape this up, heat shrink it, whatever you want to do. Again, some of the other videos, we covered these 2 hoses. These you can use your connector. We give you a little 9D connector and tape that back up in there. And that's all you're dragging around now guys, is that whip in the gun. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us, and we will be happy to get you going in the right direction. Thanks, guys.